How to remove image background, on one click. Without install any software, follow these steps. Click Upload and download transparent picture. Search in Google. Remove.bg. Go on my laptop screen. Write remove.bg. And click on first website. This site is totally free of cost. Automatic remove 100%, image background in 5 seconds. Upload your image. And wait a second. Now automatic remove background. This website provide two feature. First, download transparent. Second, change image background online. Firstly, I change background. The site provide many background. You or upload your own background image. Now download images without background and with change background. Downloading is completed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit bell icon.